All right, guys. So have you ever had to see a doctor due to a injury like an accident, slip and fall, or just an injury at work? You usually go see a doctor to feel better, right? You see a primary doctor so that they can examine you, see if you have a fracture, see if you hurt anything, get some scans done so that you can get better and that they will be on your side and make sure that you go to either like physical therapy, occupational therapy so that you can get better and get back to your normal life. However, on the other side, in the legal case, in a personal injury, workers' compensation, or even medical malpractice case, you have a doctor that is on the opposing side that is there to see if you're over exaggerating on your injury. And they just are taking a second look or a second opinion, and they're hired by the insurance company or the other side. And these medical examinations are called defense medical exams, or they could be referred to as an independent medical exam or a compulsory medical exam. They are all the same thing, and they have a doctor looking at you from the opposite lens. They are hired by the insurance company, the defensive side, to question everything. And that is why you need a legal nurse consultant there so that they have the client's back and a they are an independent party to observe what the doctor did and what your client is doing during the examination. So think of a defense medical examination as a fact check. And the defense doctor, which is hired by the insurance company, is looking through the notes, looking through the medical records to see if it's actually true that your back actually hurts. Even though they say it's a independent medical examination, it is actually paid for by the insurance company or the opposing party. Okay. So back to what I was saying at the beginning, there are three common uh, names for the same thing. So you have the independent medical exam, defense medical exam, and the compulsory medical examination. Now think about it. If they say it's an independent examination, why is it that the insurance company is paying the doctor to look to see if you are actually injured? In my eyes, you might think that if someone is paying you a handsome amount of money to see if the patient is actually injured, you would try to find out if there is any way possible that it is not related to the incident, right?